What was the primary objective of the Sinhala Only Act of 1956 in Sri Lanka? A. To promote Tamil as the official language. B. To make Sinhala the sole official language. C. To establish English as the official language. D. To recognize multiple languages as official. Answer is B. To make Sinhala the sole official language. Which community was predominantly affected by the Sinhala Only Act? A. Sinhalese. B. Tamils. C. Muslims. D. Burghers. Answer is B. Tamils. What did the government policy of standardization in university admissions in Sri Lanka do? A. Favored Tamil students. B. Ensured equal opportunities for all. C. Favored Sinhalese students with lower marks. D. Eliminated university admissions. Answer is C. Favored Sinhalese students with lower marks. Which religion was given the foremost place in the Sri Lankan Constitution of 1972? A. Hinduism. B. Buddhism. C. Christianity. D. Islam. Answer is B. Buddhism. What was the Tamil community's primary demand in response to majoritarian policies? A. Recognition of Tamil as an official language. B. Establishment of Sinhala as the only language. C. Disbanding of Tamil political parties. D. Complete assimilation into Sinhalese culture. Answer is A. Recognition of Tamil as an official language. Which political party led the movement for an independent Tamil Eelam in Sri Lanka? A. Sri Lanka Freedom Party. B. Tamil United Liberation Front, TULF. C. United National Party. D. Democratic People's Front. Answer is B. Tamil United Liberation Front, TULF. What was the primary reason for the alienation of Tamils in Sri Lanka? A. Economic prosperity. B. Discriminatory government policies. C. Cultural integration. D. Religious harmony. Answer is B. Discriminatory government policies. In which year did Sri Lanka gain independence? A. 1947. B. 1956. C. 1948. D. 1972. Answer is C. 1948. What was the result of the majoritarian policies in Sri Lanka? A. Enhanced unity among communities. B. Civil war and prolonged conflict. C. Economic growth. D. Cultural assimilation. Answer is B. Civil war and prolonged conflict. Which community was the majority in Sri Lanka post-independence? A. Tamils. B. Sinhalese. C. Muslims. D. Burghers. Answer is B. Sinhalese.